Are you feeling completely burned out from endless coding sessions? In just 10 minutes, we'll restore your calm, clarity, and productivity. Hi, I'm Patrick Ferner. I help teach tech professionals and executives how to overcome stress and burnout through practical mindfulness techniques. I've personally navigated burnout, and today I'll guide you step by step through a meditation designed specifically for developers so you can feel recharged and ready again. Now, if you've been feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, or unable to focus, you're not alone. Long hours, tight deadlines, and constant pressure are a recipe for burnout. But right now, let's pause and reset together. And let's find a comfortable position, sitting upright but relaxed. Close your eyes and gently soften your gaze. Let's begin by breathing deeply. You will breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out your mouth. I will repeat this exercise 5 times to make sure you get the maximum benefit. And while you breathe, repeat this in your mind as you continue to breathe deeply. Inhale calmness. Exhale tension. And then you'll feel as though the stress is gradually melting away with every breath. Okay? All right. And also, I will count for you. So all you need to do is breathe. Okay? Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take one more long inhale and exhale. And now I want you to imagine your mind as a busy computer running dozens of processes, visualizing each stressful thought as an open tab or a line of code. Gently begin to close each tab or to delete each line of code, and watch as they vanish one by one, clearing space, restoring memory, and bringing you peace. Feel your mental load becoming lighter. Notice clarity returning, making room for fresh insights and renewed focus. And bring your attention fully to this present moment. Notice the sensation of breathing. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Anchor yourself right here, right now. Know that you don't have to carry all the burdens at once. Right now, you only have to breathe and be present. This moment is yours. Now let's repeat these affirmations quietly or just mentally after me. I release stress and embrace calm. My mind is clear, focused, and refreshed. I deserve rest, balance, and well-being. I'm capable, talented, and ready to thrive. Now allow yourself to slowly reconnect with your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers. Move your shoulders softly. Feel gratitude for giving yourself these moments of peace. Let's take one more deep cleansing breath in. Hold. And exhale. You've just completed a powerful reset. Use this meditation whenever burnout creeps in. Remember, mindfulness is your secret weapon for sustained productivity and lasting mental health. If you found this meditation helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more burnout relief content specifically tailored for tech professionals. And if you're ready to completely transform your relationship with stress, anxiety, and burnout, check out my 8-week course, Transforming SAD. SAD stands for stress, anxiety, and depression. Check out the link below. So, I'm Patrick Ferner, wishing you peace and productivity. Namaste.